Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox this wireless headphone by Razer. It's called Barracuda X. This is a wireless multi-platform gaming and mobile headset. So it's for your gaming PC or gaming console and mobile. And let's see what features it has. It has Razer Smart Switch Dual Wireless. It is 250 gram ergonomic design. It features Razer Triforce 40mm drivers. So as you can see, it supports PC, PlayStation, Switch, Android, and iOS. It does also features Bluetooth connectivity, Razer Hyperspeed wireless technology, and Razer Smart Switch Dual Wireless, so you can switch between the Bluetooth or your wireless dongle. On this side here is the Razer logo, gold green with Razer. Here we have a few more features. Just to quickly go over, the Smart Switch Dual Wireless is a quick toggle between Razer Hyperspeed Wireless and Bluetooth. It is all-day comfortable, both indoor and outdoor. Features 40mm drivers for high-end audio performance. The mic is called Hyperclear Cardioid mic, and it's detachable. It provides crystal clear voice capture when needed. On headset control, so for greater convenience, I'll show you later. And the battery life is about 50 hours with USB-C charging for all-day use. So yeah, you can get the app on your App Store, Google Play, or in China you need to download here. So on this side of the box here, there's more information. So hybrid audio freedoms, and as you can see, the ear cup should be able to swivel. And yeah, the 40mm drivers, and this is a dongle. I'll show you later on. Compatible with PC, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and Android device. It is the USB-C connection. In the past, the last version, 2021 version, the USB-C dongle is in the connectivity is in the middle, and they've shifted to the right side here, so that it's easier for you to plug into the place you want. Look at this. It also shows the voice pickup area for the mic, and so on and so forth. It features 2 years warranty, and all sorts of languages here. So what's inside? You have the headset, and then the removable Razer Hyperclear Cardioid mic, Type-C wireless dongle, Type-C charging cable, Type-A to Type-C adapter cable, 3.5mm combo cable, and information guide. So without further ado, let's unbox this. I like this. This is a cloth hanger, which is feels premium. So let's unbox this. So while we're opening this up, I got this for around 220 ringgit. This is in fact the 2022 version, so this is 2025. It has been out for like 3 years, and this is the cheapest wireless gaming headset by Razer as far as I'm aware. So yeah, the box feels premium, and yeah, we're greeted with this again, so we're gonna have to pull it out like so. So we have this. I guess this is the manual, tons of it, and as usual, Razer products, you get the stickers. Here is the manual itself. Lots of things to study. It's colored even on the outside. Actually on the inside too, right? On some of the buttons. Yeah, pretty cool. Feels premium. Very well packaging. And this is the headset itself. I'm going to set this aside first. Let me just see. Oh, there's nothing here anymore. I guess the wires are all in here actually. So yeah, so it's tapped off. Oh, I like this packaging, to be honest. Pretty cool. And it's all with, for gamers, words repeated on it. Oh, there we go. I guess all the wires are in here. Wow, actually so many wires. Yeah, let's just unbox. This packaging certainly feels premium. Oh, okay, the 3.5mm jack. It is rubberized all around and even braided, actually pretty cool. And this is right angle braided, and this is not just some sort of simple cable tie. This is with Razer logos on it. Pretty cool, and this is way more usable. It's rubber also. This, honestly, so far I feel it's very premium. Oh, yep. This is USB-C to the USB-A. Oh, green color, nice. And like the 3.5mm jack, it is also rubberized and braided. It feels thick though, and yeah, pretty nice. So you can use this if you want to use wired. And what else is in here? This is the mic, I guess. Nope, this is the actually an extender, I would say. Yeah, this USB-A extender. So if you want it to stay closer to your PC, you can use it to extend it, so to ensure better connectivity. And this is the dongle itself, very small, RC300378 USB wireless receiver. So don't lose this, with a bit of a Razer logo here, and it says Razer Barracuda X. I'm not sure if this is only for Razer Barracuda X. I don't think you can share it between other Razer products, but if you can, that would be very cool, you know. Yep. Alright, so far all the cables quality feels really good, and this feels also pretty long. Okay, so yeah, I guess this is the dongle then. No, sorry, this is the mic then. Yeah, so pretty good. This is the detachable one, and then this is the mic, and this is how the mic looks like. Cool, pretty easy to slide it back and out, and not very long, and stays in shape. Cool. And last but not least, this is the headset itself with the silica gel here. Set this aside, and yeah, feels pretty light, actually lighter than my Steelseries Arctis 3 Bluetooth. Like sort of like a metal, no sorry, leather padding here, pretty thick actually. And you can swivel, only one-sided though, like so. So you can rest it on your neck like so. Here's the Razer logo on top. Actually it rested outside, so I don't like that. I prefer it to rest it like this, but oh well. No lighting whatsoever, just to for the Barracuda X. For the ones that's better, you need to go for the Barracuda, I guess, and another one would be the Barracuda Pro, I think, but yeah, those are too expensive for me since I got this for only 200 ringgit. And it does feel a bit too light to the point. It feels a little bit cheap, but it does feature metal bending, so that's reassuring. Although it feels locked in place, but yeah. This is the longest you can extend. And then this is the mic button. It is a solid button though. I would prefer it to like you know, to not protrude, to be honest. Like when it's off or when it's on, it is protruded, things like that, but this will do. And then this is the volume rocker here, so it's on your left ear cup, right? Doesn't say anything on the inside of the ear padding. And this is the power on button, and somehow you need to use this button to switch between 2.4 and Bluetooth. So it's not, wait, I'll come back to this later on. Here is the 3.5mm jack, and this is the USB-C charging or connect to a computer, and this is your this for your detachable mic here. So let's say if you wanna, so it connects to your left ear mic, left ear cup, then you can do it like this. Pretty cool. But I like the design when this is out of the way, so yeah, I won't be using that so much. And on the right ear cup, nothing, to be honest. Wow, there's actually nothing. All of the controls are on the left ear cup. And then you can see there's a faint Razer logo on here. You can tilt a bit, pretty limited control, but and then the ear pads, this feels pretty okay, but here it's very thin. You can really feel the plastic right away. Hopefully these last longer. At least it's not all meant. It is inside leather also. Yeah, this is leather also, and here is the leather. You can switch this out. If it's broken, you can buy some cheap replacement online. But honestly, these don't really last long. It lasts maybe 1 year or 2 years before it starts peeling off, and then you need to change it. It depends on how much you use it. But the ear pads padding are pretty good, pretty thick. But yeah, I can't wait to try this out and see how it feels, and if I can, I'll make a video about it. So yeah, that's all for inside the packaging. In fact, as usual, Razer has done a great job for the packaging of the product. And for 200 ringgit, I feel like you get so many things, and it's also wireless, and you can use it across a lot of platforms. Yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase. So yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find it useful, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.